Eligeo IT is a IT support company, and we service primarily Calgary and surrounding areas. The vision that we have is to provide small businesses with cost-effective services that will really make it easy for them to run their businesses. But the more important part is also being a good citizen in our community. And we do that by having a program which we call Eligeo Care. 2% of our profits go towards different philanthropy efforts every year.
What I deal with is our day-to-day services for the clients. There's cost issues and also the performance of the network that the clients have in place. Having the least downtime for the client, which is the biggest concern that our clients have.
Whether we're traveling out for conferences, whether we're going on-site to clients, or whether we're working from our homes, having access to information is really important. We had Google Apps as our primary email solution, but I felt like we were quite fractured trying to access information because it was scattered. Trying to use our existing suite like Microsoft Office was really hard because it was almost like patchwork trying to make it work with Google Apps. So there's a lot of frustrations with sharing information such as our calendar and our contacts and even emails. We found that the technical support that we received was quite poor. We would have to send an email to Google Apps support to actually get a response back, and sometimes we never even got a response back. So it was really frustrating getting up and running.
We would have to go back and forth to the office, email the client, wait for their response, and then have them email them back to me. If there was any mistakes, we have to wait until our next meeting to go over it.
Google Docs would actually change the format on us. So then when one of my colleagues would go and download that same document, the fonts would be messed up, tables all screwed up. And it got to the point where I didn't even trust what I had on my computer. Ultimately, Google Apps wasn't the right decision for us. Being a Microsoft partner as well, it was really important for us to see what solutions are available, and we found that the Business Productivity Suite was really good for us because it really encompassed everything we want to do in our business. We were up and running within a day. We were switched over completely. All of our mail was seamlessly migrated. It was just like we were using Outlook again, except everything was working properly.
With Google Apps, the difference is if you don't want to use the web client and you would like to use Microsoft Outlook, you would have to go in manually and configure that. While with the Microsoft Online, as soon as you download the Microsoft software, it automatically configures that for you. Another feature that we liked more than Google Apps is being able to log into everything from one place as soon as you turn on your computer. With Google Apps, you would have to go online, log into your email account in order to be able to display the company sites. While with Microsoft Online, as soon as you turn on your computer, it is already logging in for you. So definitely helped me with my productivity, sped up my processing time with the clients. Also, it has introduced a way for me to go to my client and try to save them money.
We used to be a Google Apps reseller, and part of the problems that we have with Google Apps and feedback from our clients is that they felt that they're having a lot of problems syncing up their contacts and finding email kind of scattered and fractured from Gmail to their Outlook. Since we started reselling Microsoft BPOS, we've now been able to bring on 3 new clients onto the solution.
It has changed my way of thinking. It's making my job a lot easier now to approach these clients.
Our clients are seeing us and seeing how productive we're getting, and they want to know more about it too. So it helps us on a standpoint of growth where we can start reselling this product in an effective manner because we've seen the benefits ourselves and how well that's really positioned us into the future.